I know, guys. I said I was done. I'm over luxury retail for good. And then this thing happened.
Oh, Lord. Again. Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
Hey, Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this lying ass hoe. This bitch. Girl, rules are meant to be broken, okay? So I did not set a hard and fast absolute no rule. And handbags at this time in my life just doesn't seem like it's at the top of my list for now. I'm trying not to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on these kind of bags anymore. I don't know that I'm gonna keep churning out videos of $3,000 to $10,000 bags.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I've said some things, yeah. But you guys know, I often do videos called You're a Liar, meaning me. And I did lie to myself and to you, and I feel bad about it, but okay, here we are. I did say I would buy one luxury bag this year. I did it. It's only July, but okay, that's gotta be it for me. Let's hope I don't lie to you and me about that. Let me go ahead and get into the bag, and then you'll know this is the one bag on my wish list since last year. When it dropped, I tried to buy it. I bought it and then got refunded for it because it didn't come in quickly, and I had time to think about it. I had remorse. Bought another bag. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to show you. Oh my God.
Control yourself.
Woo! You're gonna see it when I see it. Oh yeah, yes. Ooh, she's so beautiful.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh my God, she's brand friggin' new. I'm gonna give you all the details about how this came into existence, why I have it, why is she a liar, all of that good stuff, girl. Stick around. I also have something else to show you that I might have picked up.
You done lost your damn mind.
This thing right here. Oh, it feels so good. It's kind of rubbery feeling, but I guess that's okay. I will have it authenticated on my end. It is from The Real. They claim they have authentication, and you guys know I get kind of put out by The Real, and then, you know, something like this drops into my lap and I go, oh my God. $700 off of list price. Yeah, with tax and all. I looked at what I paid for it last year as opposed to what I paid for it on The Real in this brand new condition. So $700 and some odd dollars difference. Cheaper. I want to say it retailed for like $49.50. Let me check. Okay, I'm looking at my order, which was June 9th last year, so a little over a year. 13 months ago, girl. $49.50. It did retail for $49.50. This one, however, retailed for $42.25. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Yeah. Yeah, about $700 under asking on this bag, and it is in new condition. Let's hope it's authentic. They say it is, but you know I don't believe anything, and I've never gotten anything. Is this standard? I don't know that they did this. Maybe the seller, the consignor who sold this with The Real did that for, you know, extra protection. We know about extra protection, girl, for whoever bought it to be safe. And I like that. That's nice. Not a mark, not a scratch. This person did not carry this bag. I mean, there looks to be like a little bit of, I don't know, I can't tell in this light. Maybe some, I don't know, some dingy color. I might just seeing things, yeah. I'm just looking for things now, right? But look at the shapes, chaps, chats, whatever in the heck you call those. Looks good. Oh, okay. That's where I got it and how I got it. Last week after the live, my friend Laurie texted me. We spoke for a little bit and she was like, oh yeah, your dream bag, which I had mentioned in the live, was if I come off of the ban of buying any kind of luxury or Louis Vuitton, it would have to be for this bag. I fully said that, and girl, she said, well, guess what? That bag's sitting over there for $42.25. And I was like, what? That's unheard of. Because everybody that you see, I saw one today on StockX, $8,500. That's weird. Make that make sense. But the Real said, you can have it for under list. You idiots, the Real. But hey, their misfortune is my gain, and I am happy, happy, happy to have this. It actually smells good. It just smells like it came right from the Louis Vuitton boutique. It does smell like classic Louis Vuitton. If you know, you know. So thanks to Laurie of Smiling Cats Couture for turning me on to this. And I swear we were speaking for just a minute and she goes, oh, I just looked. Did you buy it? And I was like, yeah, I did buy it. I put it in my cart, which, you know, it stays there for 20 minutes. And I was like, no, you got to do it. Since we've last spoken, I have sold 4 Coach bags. You know, that's a little bit of lunch money, right? But I sold my Crafty Speedy. Wah, wah. I did. I really figured like, okay, girl, if you're going to have a soft Speedy 30, this is really the one you want. You don't need to. I really don't. Although I loved the monogram Crafty Speedy that I had with the red interior. I absolutely did love that. But it has been sold. I sold the Sneakerinas. So I've been selling and selling and selling like a mad woman. I do have the Ivy up for sale. I have consigned it with a consigner. So hopefully that will sell and I can put all that, you know, towards this bag so I can come out owing nothing on it. So I'm so very happy. Yeah, I don't want to buy things and just owe for them all the time. That's really my point about trying to stop buying luxury, or especially LV, because I'm addicted, girl. I have such an addictive personality and I love things, and I know that may be wrong, but if loving them is wrong, I don't want to be right. It's that sort of thing, you know? But also I know in myself, like, girl, you ain't getting no younger. You need to rein it in, stop the madness, and start, you know, thinking about other things. And so I didn't go into this half-cocked. I have been thinking about this since I returned it last year. What do you guys think? I mean, God, it's so pretty. It's one of those bags too that when you're carrying it, I think you're gonna know it. If you know again. It's not one of those bags I'm going to carry around the mall or Sam's or the grocery store or wherever, and people are going to clock me and go, oh, I see you've got the white Murakami that dropped in 2025. People aren't going to really clock me with that. So I'm happy about that. And while I'm sad about the Crafty going, I'm very, very happy to have this. I should take, yeah, this off and let's examine those handles. But first, I have new jewelry to show you. I have never, ever dealt with this company before. This is a brand new company. It is from France. A lot of people say DEMAIN, but I guess if it's a France company, Dawn was saying it's DEMAIN. DEMAIN. Okay. However you say it, it is a brand new company that has sent me a piece to try, and I'm going to open it up and be excited with you. I think Diane of Luxury Handbag Edit has some DEMAIN jewelry. There's a couple of other people that I've seen unbox lately because this is a brand new company, like I said. Oh my God, the packaging though, it's very Cartier coated with this deep red box. And oh, okay, I'm not trying to like put off on Cartier and all that and compare, but I'm just saying. So the thing about this jewelry that I am drawn to is that it's amazing. If you go on their website, doesn't cost you anything to go look, okay? Just go look, check it out for yourself. They have such really exquisite pieces. They have really cool, like hip and modern looking jewelry. It's not your same run-of-the-mill Zales diamond ring from, you know, 1989. They are really modernized and kind of cool and hip in that area. Let's see what I got, girl. Ooh, look at the packaging. I mean, the packaging is next level, and they have given me a tennis bracelet. What? I know. I am over the moon, overjoyed about this. The packaging, I can't get over how luxe this packaging is. So you can get lab created diamonds, white gold, yellow gold, and you can also get vermeil as well. So, you know, you can sort of run the range of pricing on the site, but these lab created diamonds, and this is a 3 millimeter. Ooh, the sparkle on you. Ooh. I hope I'm running the website beside me so you guys can see all that they have to offer, but they really are. I liked them. I mean, they sent me a little thing and I was like, you know, as a matter of fact, I do love jewelry. So let me try this bracelet on though. Ooh. Wow, it is so luxe and top tier. So these are the two that I already had. Don't pay any attention to those. But check this one out. Ooh, girl, she's catching that light. I love it. I absolutely love it. They have, of course, different sizing. I think I went with a 7 just to be sure because, you know, your girl can't wear no 6 or 6 1/4 or nothing like... No matter how much weight I lose, girl, we're never gonna get to that. But anyway, this is amazing. It looks so good with my stacks. Ugh, I'm so tickled to actually have this bracelet. I've been wanting one of my jewelry sponsors to send me a diamond tennis bracelet forever. Guys, lab created diamonds are real diamonds. They are not manufactured through the earth, through eons of time, but they are made and created of the same thing in the same way. Pressure, right? When we're talking about diamonds, we're not gonna say, oh, your diamond's not real because it's lab created. No, ma'am. Lab created diamonds are actual friggin' diamonds. Fun fact, they're just at a cheaper price point. I hope you'll go over and check out DEMAIN. Brand new company. I think they have really nice and competitive pricing as far as that goes. If you're really looking for some good quality jewelry, lab created diamonds, and all that that implies, girl.
Daddy does oil, and all that implies.
Suck it, Pam. Anyway, go ahead and check them out. I will link them down below. I can save you some money. Please use my link and my promo code if you are going to shop today for some diamonds, girl. Okay, I'm back. Ta-da! Check it out. Oh, wow. Yeah, that vachetta though. Okay, let's make sure all of my accoutrement is inside. It is, yes. Okay, here is one of my favorite things. What is it Candy calls these? I want to call it the half round strap, but I don't think that's what it's called. I got this. Okay, so when I sold my Crafty, my actual and factual Louis Vuitton strap-on went with it, and I was very sad to see it go. So I'm glad that this one had it. It checks all the boxes. And this one also has the clochette little bow thing. A lot of people really hated on this last year on all the different bags, didn't they? I don't mind it. I'll probably put it on there with other, of course, other bag charms, because y'all know I'm a charmer girl. I love to charm it up. It's got the lock on there, and of course the key is inside here. I swear to you, when I got my Speedy P9s, I was looking everywhere for them damn keys, girl. They're in the key bell or clochette or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you're sure sign, you crazy idiot, but oh my god, everything looks so freaking good. The coup de grace, I mean the pièce de résistance, yes, I'm feeling very Frenchy today, French, is, can you guys see it in there? It is the denim inside. It is the monogram denim. Boy, I wish you could reverse this. Weren't all these France pieces, speaking of France? Yeah, made in France. So there we go. I know a lot of people care about that. I don't really, but I think maybe a lot of these just do have the little made in France. It's got the special Murakami patch in there. Just a beautiful bag. Now wait a minute. We got some makeup schmutz in here? What? Are you kidding me right now? We do. I don't even think it's makeup schmutz. It doesn't look very savory. It looks unsavory as hell. But it looks a little globby and gross. I don't know what that is, but rest assured she will don some gloves to get that right out. I carry all my bags with Zumoni inserts. That's not gonna happen to me, but yeah. I mean, there had to be a reason it wasn't list or over. Maybe that was the one thing. The Real finally got something right. Oh my god, I love this. I love it. Oh, it smells so good. There is one more bag that I am constantly on the hunt for, and I don't want to put it into existence because if this one comes up, I can't afford it. There's no way I could get this other bag.
Sure, Jan.
Remember Louis Vuitton dropped in a New York exclusive, the Bliss, they called those the Bliss, and they were 25 leather, all leather Speedies. They made a brown one and a black one. Candy has one. Candy's Sweet Love for LV, yes. And by the way, she finds a lot of cool Murakami pieces, so definitely go over to her lives and check out all of her sales, because she sells too, besides doing a luxury channel. Anyway, Candy has that Bliss bag in the brown that I really want. Eyes on the prize, girl. This is the one bag. Look at me already. There's my true nature coming out. Oh, I've got the bag I want. Let's on to the next. No, girl, we can't do it. We gotta keep on loving this. Ooh, she looks so good. I know some people might leave me some maybe mean comments, and okay, it's warranted. Thank you for the engagement. If you do, please leave your thoughts below. I probably deserve it, but I'm not unhappy about it. I'm very, very happy about this. Thank you guys again for joining me. If you have seen 7, 8, 9, 10 of my videos, but you still haven't subscribed, like, what? Girl, I'm trying to get to 15,000 subscribers. Can you help me out, please? Thank you. It helps me so much if you would thumb up this video, if you would comment down below. If you go over and buy some jewelry, that'd help me out a ton. Go ahead and check out the DEMAIN jewelry site, where you can find the best looking jewelry out there. Thank you to Lori of Smiling Cats Couture for helping me source this bag. I didn't know I was even gonna buy it, but then I did. It was one of those surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise. If you have made it this far, do us a big old favor. Just put some kind of fruit down. I think last week we did cherries, not knowing we were going to have this cherries, but go ahead and put any fruit down. Any fruit will do, girl. Oh, that was my nickname in college. Anyhow, do me one more favor. If y'all see my husband, girl, seriously, I'm serious, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna run through this quickly. My bag of the day will soon be this Speedy in the Cherries Murakami. It has been the P9, which is down in my car because I had to run out earlier. I left it in the back seat. My scent of the day is Jo Malone. It's in a blue bottle. I'm not 100% sure what the name of it is. John gave it to me, so I know it's probably a more manly leaning scent. My sneaker of the day is, of course, I can't get out of these. It is the Travis Scott, I couldn't even think of his name for a minute, Tropical Pink Nike Air Force One lows, the Cactus Jack version. Love these sneakers, girl. They're so comfortable. And last but not least, this is the watch that I am wearing today. Boy, it is very, very gold. But it is an Amazon Cartier lookalike. I think they call these the tank watches, I want to say. But anyway, this is a lookalike. I spent like $39 at Amazon or on Amazon for this tank looking Cartier watch. So yeah, it's not real. And let's hope she doesn't get a wild hair and try to buy one, because need to pull it back in, girl. Pull it back in. Do me a favor, guys. I'm gonna put a video right here. Click on that video and keep on watching. Pump the brakes, sister. Stop lying and stop buying. Biatch.